So here were these simple integer relationships at the basis of all the music, and Pythagoras and his companions were so taken with that. They figured it had to explain the motions of the planets and the heavens and the stars, and it had to connect to the human spirit as well as all life and trees and things growing, and everything had to be related to these small integer ratios, which he thought was the essence of everything. So they needed then to have, for their cult that they built up around this idea, they needed a symbol that would capture these small integer relationships, a symbol that would symbolize, like symbols are supposed to do. And so they did. They came up with a symbol. And this symbol was so important to them that you had to pray to it before. It was called a tetrad. And here's a prayer that they had to say. Bless us, divine number, thou who generated gods and men, O holy, holy tetrad, thou that containest the root and source of the eternally flowing creation. For the divine number begins with a profound, pure unity until it comes to the holy four. Then it begets the mother of all, the all-compromising, the all-bounding, the firstborn, the never-swerving, the never-tiring, holy ten, the keyholder of all. And what was that symbol? Bowling pins.
Fly me to the moon.